What if the way you get paid is quietly shaping your lifestyle, stress, and future wealth? Most people think salary versus hourly is just about how often you get paid.
But in reality, it goes much deeper than that. One gives stability, the other control.
Choosing the wrong one could cost you thousands every single year. A salary is a fixed amount of money you earn, regardless of hours worked. Whether you work 40 hours or 60 hours, your paycheck stays exactly the same.
Salaried jobs often come with benefits like paid vacation, sick leave, and health insurance.
That's why many people see salary as more secure, loyal. But here's the catch. On salary, you're paid for your responsibilities, not just your time. Deadlines don't care about your hours put, late nights and weekends, often with no extra pay. Now compare that to hourly pay, Tafor. You get paid for every single hour you work. Work more, earn more. Work less, earn less. It's that simple. Work more than 40 hours a week, and you're usually entitled to overtime pay. That's typically 1.5 times your normal hourly rate per time and a half. Earn $20 an hour normally sees. Overtime could pay you $30 an hour. In some cases, hourly workers can actually earn more than salaried employees. But the real difference isn't just about money, Prej. It's about lifestyle.
If you're salaried, your work can follow you home. Emails, deadlines, pressure. There's often no clear boundary between your job and your personal life. Hourly workers usually have a cleaner separation. When the shift ends, work ends.
No unpaid late nights. No hidden expectations. More time for family and hobbies. But of course, there's always a trade-off with hourly pay. Hourly workers face more uncertainty factor. If business slows down, companies can cut your hours. Fewer hours means less income held. It's much easier to cut hours than eliminate a salary. Meanwhile, salaried employees enjoy more consistency, or the same paycheck week after week. So in a tough economy, a salary can feel a lot safer.
Salary gives you stability, benefits, and predictable income, but costs you flexibility and overtime.
Hourly pay gives you flexibility, work-life boundaries, and the chance to earn more through overtime. But it may lack stability and benefits. Those are the trade-offs.
So it really comes down to one question. Evni, do you value security or control? And here's something most people don't realize. Gumini, you don't always get to choose. Whether a job is salaried or hourly is often set by labor laws and the work itself. At the end of the day, there's no one-size-fits-all answer here. If you want stability, benefits, and long-term security too, salary might be the better option.
But if you value flexibility, control over your time, and the potential to earn more, hourly pay might be smarter. The real key is understanding how each system works so you can make better career decisions.
Because how you get paid is just as important as how much you get paid.